Right, engine hot. Looking good. Perfect. You certainly can't get it perfect. Who was it? Yeah, you can. So yeah, just gonna test it now. Switch it off, switch it back on, and will we get a restart or not? That's the biggest question. So, ignition off, ignition on, press start. There's a simple feature. There we go. Engine hot and it's restarted. Right. Looking alright. Looking good.